Peter, got it? Okay, I'm going to do a couple of lunging techniques here. Basic karate reverse punch, lunging off the back leg. So you can see how this can really work your leg muscles, your glutes, your hamstrings here, and lunging and go. You can also do it with a front jab or mighty. With that overload principle, you have to really use a powerful contraction of your muscle part. Get in. And of course, you don't want to lean forward. You have to lunge off with your hips. You're getting all your power from your hips and lower legs here. Or with the backhand. Same thing here. You can cover much more distance, more aggressively, this way. You can also apply it to kicks. If I do a front kick with this front or back leg, you see I have this resistance? This way. Really have to train my hip to get in. Round kick, same way, even though it's a rotating technique from here. But I have to pull that bungee cord around to get my hips around. This way. Same thing, side thrust kick. Side, it's resisting here, so I have to really lunge off and get in with my hip and back leg. From here, stepping in. You can see how it wants to pull you back. You have to fight that and get in deeper. And fall in with your hips, which really penetrates your power completely, just like a laser.